Hello. We're on number 9. Way behind, but we're on number 9. It's okay. I've had so many lovely comments about not stressing, about it's okay to be behind, and I'm so grateful for the support. I'm so grateful for that, you know, a lot of people don't mind, and it's lovely to for people to take the time to comment and to to communicate with me. I'm really appreciative of the support, and for for saying that my fox was lovely, was good, even though I felt these proportions were. He was hard work. Not because, I mean, Philippa's teaching is fantastic. I would never have been able to make the fox without her wonderful teaching. I love her method of teaching. I love the way she teaches. But I find it a challenge because I'm still sort of fairly new. But so I would never have been able to get anywhere near finishing that sort of project without her teaching methods. But yeah, I found him more of a challenge than I did the hair, and but I still managed. I still finished him. I still managed to do him, and I'm very proud of him. But people were very supportive, and I thank you for that. It meant the world to me. So number 9. Let's see what's in number 9. And I've got Philippa's video ready, and we're gonna follow the video and see what we're going to come up with today. Oh, look at all these pretty... Oh, hang on. We've still got something in here. So we have pipe cleaners. And we have the prettiest shades of green. Oh, look at these. So these are warmer. These are warmer shades of... Look at how the colours all go together. I love that. How they make these sort of shades all sort of go together for you. They're so pretty. Look at that. Again, I think my lights are making it seem cooler than it is. Let me see if I can. That's a bit warmer. Don't know whether that's. It's a lot yellowier than it's showing you on there. One of my lights are making it seem a lot cooler, but it's very pretty. And these are sort of cooler. They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So let's get on and see what we're making with these. And there we go. I've done 5. I might do some more when we start putting the wreath together, depending on how many I think I need. I did it. They were good. They were easy enough to put together, kind of. I kept getting all fingers and thumbs, and I couldn't do it on a slant. I found I was virtually doing it horizontal. Every time I went on a slant, the bit of the pipe cleaner kept poking out. So I must not have the technique for this quite down yet. Some of them ended up, like this one, ended up a little chunkier than, you know, and this one was like really little and skinny. So, no, but they look alright, they look okay. I'm hoping they'll look fine on the wreath. So there we go, that's day 9. I'll see you tomorrow for day 10. Well, it might not be quite tomorrow by the time I've edited and everything. It does take me a while to film and then edit, so, but it's cool, it's fine. I'm trying not to stress. So take care, and I hope those of you that are doing the wreath, I hope yours is going well. Let me know how yours is going, and yeah, I'll see you for day 10. Take care, bye bye.